Hey guys, here's a fantastic 4-limb coordination exercise. Great for beginner drummers, but really great for any drummer that's really serious about getting all 4 limbs to be working, together. So this one here, the coordination where I'm doing a kick every pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. We're counting to 4. The hi-hat is going to be on counts 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. My hands are doing single strokes. Right, left, right, left, right, left. With eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, ready for the exercise? Here we go. I'm going to start with the kick. Get the hi-hat going. 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're lifting these sticks all the way up. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to do left hand lead on my hands. I'm still doing the kick on all 4 counts, hi-hat on beat 2 and 4, but I'm going to start with my left hand. Here we go. Starting with the kick. Hi-hats. 1, 2, left hand, go. Have fun with it. Let me know in the comments what you think of this exercise. See you next time.